like a smith skillfully taming and ornamenting the mind, with no need for the many tools of varied fields of knowledge. It's enough to take up the blade of renunciation and compassion, thereby to transform a negative character's stubborn hide. A single nectar shower of the teacher's compassion can cause the ripening crop of qualities to grow, as the clouds of devotion amass again and again, and there's no need to fear an untimely frost. Love and affection are all the greater for friends, teachers, and family living far away, but it's hard to feel so when they're close by, as intimacy incites only irritation. Faith and compassionate love cultivated in solitude, for the lofty, the lowly, and all those in between, tied to enlightened action with the rope of aspiration, will never come undone throughout one's future lives.